And welcome back everybody to the Geek Tech Show. In today's video we are gonna be checking out the Kinetic Sand Kalm. Slice, scoop, dice, cool, whoa, relax. Oh, all kinds of cool things, and it comes in this awesome looking box. On the side of it you can see all those cool different things you can actually do with this, and you can relax in your free time. Okay, unboxing therapy, here we go. What is this? I was expecting this to be a little bit more satisfactory opening. So here what we get this sand over here. Instructions, mini instructions. And this. This is like goo. This is some nasty sand, by the way. I wouldn't even call this sand. I like sand, but this is not. This is like not really like sand at all. Small piece of it here. And this. By the way, this is the most awesomest knife ever. This is the Spyderco Saw 2. Okay. I don't know why they even included this thing here. Okay, so a little bit disappointing, a few things here about this. First of all, I was expecting way more sand. In the picture it looks like there was a lot of sand. In here it just doesn't look like that. I do like this plastic top to this. This is some nasty, and I mean nasty sand. It really is. It's like alive too. You like put something out of it and it's like moving. But overall, I'm not a fan of this kind of sand. And I was expecting this to be actually metal. And this is just cheap plastic. So overall, I don't know. If this was metal, that would be super cool, but I understand why it's plastic. I mean, it is kind of a kid's toy. This is not really satisfactory when I have to try it. I don't know why they would think an adult would enjoy this, but maybe it's not for adults. If you're in an office building, you have nothing better to do. This is kind of cool, by the way. Actually, this is more satisfactory than I thought. Oh, this is interesting. I can do like different kind of shapes to this. So, how to review this? Well, I have to give a rating for every single thing here. The sand just totally sucks. Two things really suck about this sand. One, it's not real sand. Two, it feels nasty in your hands. It really does. It doesn't feel like real actual sand. Three, it's not like the picture. There is just not enough sand here. There's just like too little sand in here. There's a lot of space here. So the sand gives like, I give it like a free rating. Of course, if you can replace this with your own sand, you should definitely do so. One thing I do like about this is this top over here, which is kind of really cool. I hope it is indestructible. I'm not sure exactly, but you can really use this top for things. And I do like how deep it is too. So if you have like Legos, you can actually use that to construct Legos inside too here. I actually like this. I actually do like this. I hate the actual nastiness of this sand. But it is interesting. This is like, I would say this is like a cross between like some nasty Play-Doh and some dough. Actual dough that you're using to bake something. And yet, it just has this nasty texture to this. I'm not a fan. So 3 out of 10 for the sand. The plastic toys are just super cheap. Although they are useful, they're just cheap. Really super cheap plastic toys. This looks like wood. You see, it like tricks you to think this is wood. This is plastic. This is plastic, by the way. If this was wood, it would have been really cool. Wood and metal. And in the picture, that's how it looks like. So that's what got me interested in this in the first place. But it really does trick you. You can see right here by looking at this, this looks like it's metal. This looks like it's wood. This actually looks like really cool looking toy. And then you get this, you're like, oh man, what is this? This just looks 10 times cheaper than what I was expecting. So needless to say, this thing is borderline junk. It really is. It's like, the concept is great, the execution is just terrible, the toys are just too cheesy, the sand is just too nasty. And the only thing I'm going for this thing is this tub. But for 20 bucks to pay for this tub, I'm not a fan. And this sand is just nasty. Overall, thumbs down. Do not get this. What a waste of money. This is going right back to the store. Can't stand this thing. Now, if you're looking to get somebody some nasty gift, this would be the perfect gift to give them. It really is. Does it have a smell? Let me smell this. Sand. Oh, it doesn't really smell like anything. Does it feel like sand? No, not really. It feels like something nasty. I don't know. Somehow it is addictive. I don't know why this thing is still addictive. Although I'm not enjoying it, it's still cool. I give this a thumbs down. This has been super disappointing, and because of that, I'm gonna let this go.